channel. My name is Leora, if you're new here. So I'm just going to be vlogging all of today instead of a weekly vlog. Hasn't been anything too exciting this week, so hopefully I can get some good footage. Alright, Sam, do you think we should restart our bet?
I think so.
Oh, we gonna turn that down?
Alright, you're on.
Alright, we're gonna sign the contract today.
Okay.
Same witnesses, Sam and George.
What date do we want to have it start?
Start tomorrow, the 28th.
Are you joking me? What about Tuesday?
No!
Monday.
No, we're starting tomorrow.
Monday.
Don't be a slacker.
Let me recover. It was a rough week.
Rock, paper, scissors, and then roll.
You want to do shoot? Alright, fine.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh no!
Yay! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Shoot.
No!
Oh yes!
Alright,
Good job.
So we start on the 2nd.
Ah.
I need the time to recover.
What do you have to say, Zach?
I'm just glad I'm on camera and I get seen by millions of people from the YouTube channel.
Alright, millions of people.
Yeah, that's all I got right now.
Are you done with everything?
What do you mean done with everything?
Are you working? What are you doing?
Okay.
Oh!
Boom. Roasted.
Yeah, I definitely did.
Yes, I do work. Might be done for today because I've been here forever, yeah.
Yeah, you're doing hard work, aren't you? Andrew's face.
You guys are bullies. I don't want to be on your YouTube anymore.
Alright, Tommy, tell me how you're doing. Is this your amalgam?
Yes.
What's your time right now?
I don't have a time.
You don't keep track of time?
Nope. I just YOLO it.
Okay. You have a, oh wait, you don't have a watch on. How do we feel about number 19?
It's hard. I've done 10. Probably can't get checked off any of them.
What's your weakness?
My weakness is, do you want to take a look? It's this marginal ridge right here.
Wait,
It's just,
can you shine your light on it?
yeah, sure. It's this marginal ridge right here, right at the mesial fossa area. I just can't get it high enough if you look from the side.
The marginal ridge is
the hardest
is
part.
hard for everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, I would say I'd have to agree. My weakness is the marginal ridge. I have to occlude it on pretty good, but the marginal ridge, you just have to pack it in really tight, and no, not pack it in, you have to condense it. And if it's not condensed well, then it will crumble when you take off your matrix band.
Yeah, it's hard.
We got this though. Practice. So as you can tell by my robe, it is nighttime, and after class I just went and I worked out real quick, and I didn't film anything. I don't even know if you guys would want to see my workouts, but if you would, let me know. But it was too crazy, so I didn't want to try and film anything that I was doing. So I came home and I had dinner, and now I'm just going to be studying the rest of the night. but I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you kind of just what my tissue injury and host defense class has been like so far. I know that if I were an undergrad or just a pre-dental student, that I would probably be interested to know what someone was learning in dental school, so let me show you. Okay, so this is our schedule that we have for tissue injury and host defense. So the schedule that you see on my vlogs every week, those are just kind of rough time estimates, but this is a breakdown of every lecture that we will get. So for our first exam, we had 12 lectures, second exam, 12 lectures, or 11 lectures, something like that. So you can see we have at least 2 lectures a day. So this is what makes dental school so crazy, because you're learning so much material in the span of 1 week, and you're tested on it almost every week or a week and a half. And so this is all the stuff that we'll be learning all the way to the end. So I personally don't do well in basic science classes. It's just something that I don't grasp very easily, but I do have friends who don't really have to study too much and they can basically get A's. And no shade, no tea, if you're that type of person, that's really awesome, and you know, you'll do well. But for me, I do have to spend a lot of time studying to understand material, so that's probably why you see me studying all the time. I don't have the luxury to cram and do well. Like, it takes a lot of effort for me to just get B's. So now that I've showed you what I'm learning in tissue injury, I'll show you my study schedule. Okay, so here's where we're at. It is Thursday, February 27th. These are the 2 things that I want to accomplish today. And then for this weekend, I planned the next 2 days out roughly, because I don't know what I'm gonna prioritize yet, but this is kind of what I am leaning towards. Haven't planned out Sunday. That begins a new month, so we'll head here to this new tab. And then so beginning of month, so the beginning of March, we have 3 things happening next week. This is for IDP. We have a peer review form due, and then we have an operative exam as well as a tissue injury exam. So I haven't filled anything out for March because I'm not to that month yet, but I have filled out the major exams and stuff that is happening. So this is kind of how I like to keep track of everything. It keeps me organized, and even if I don't plan out every day, I like to go back and fill it in if possible. It just shows me like how productive I'm being. Obviously some days I'm just like, no, I don't want to do anything. So this is how I stay organized. So you probably saw that I outlined some lectures, but I don't outline all of them. I found some classmates who study about the same way I do, you know, using outlines or charts or whatever, and we kind of collaborate and we break down the lectures and divide it among us. So this is really helpful because you're not just relying on yourself to do everything. And so teamwork makes the dream work in this situation. I'm very glad that I have this system, because also it shows you what other people consider priority sometimes, things you might have missed, and I don't have to listen to lecture capture. Again, for all of these lectures, I can just look at the outline, and it helps me study that way. So with that, I will close the vlog. I'm just going to be studying the rest of the night, so I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe down below. Come join the YouTube fam, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
We